Welcome to another episode of What's for Dinner, Baldman. What am I cooking up tonight? Hi, Bear. We're going to do some fried chicken. That's still in the fridge right now. I actually butchered up a whole chicken yesterday. You guys may have seen a clip I posted of some stock. That's where it came from. But just setting up my dredging station for that. Flour, some paprika in there and cayenne, and a bit of salt. I sifted that, got some eggs I'm going to do with some chicken broth, again, from that stock I did, and breadcrumbs. I'm going to throw some seasoning salt in there in a moment. Again, that was from some stale bread we had on hand. Did that in the blender, fun times. So this is going to be an oven fried chicken, so I'm only going to need about a half cup of oil. I'm going to do that in my Pyrex. We're going to do some Colcannon potatoes. So I'm going to mash up these beautiful spuds, going to wash them and mash them, leave the peels on. Got half a flat cabbage there, a few rashes of bacon, onion, get that all started. Thank you everybody as always for following me. So give me a little bit of time, we'll get this started. So right now I got bacon, garlic, and onions just caramelizing up there. Got my potatoes going, and I just did a large dice of the cabbage. Again, a flat cabbage, I took the core out. That's gonna go in the pan. They're gonna put the lid on there for probably about 20-25 minutes while that good old potatoes are going. At that same time, chicken going. So I got the chicken out. There's 2 breasts, 2 wings, obviously, 2 legs, you know, all the usual suspects. I salt brine this, so just tons of salt in that for the last, I want to say 30 hours or so. So that's absorbed that. My roasted chicken video, if you guys watch that, I do the exact same way. I just put so much salt on it, rub it everywhere, and let that sit. You can do it up to 3 days. You don't have to rinse it. It comes out so delicious. Don't do any other seasonings, and maybe minus some herbs. So my dredge again all set up. So we're going to do that. We're going to do it in the glassware again. Like I said, there's about a half cup of oil already there. So give me a second and I'll set this up so you can watch me work. Now, the cabbage is all cooked down. I've mashed up some potatoes with some I'm going to say a 1/4 cup of butter, give or take. Again, like I said earlier, I left the peels on. We're going to add the mashed potato right to the cabbage and onions and bacon mixture we got going on. And I also got some more chicken broth in there because I think every fried chicken meal needs a little bit of gravy. That's just my 2 cents. There we go. Getting every potato I can off the freaking off the masher like some crack addict. I'm gonna add my roux, my thickener to my gravy right now, given all it's already boiling. Well, I'm gonna have to add so much more butter to that. It is thick. Probably have to thin that out a bit, but that is okay with me. About some time, get those out of the way. Okay. Back to that as I add my potatoes. Those are so good. It's right now. Sorry, I had to stop for a moment. My gravy was literally just becoming a gelatinous mess. I'd add more liquid, grab some more broth out. I've added some wine. I got some black pepper in there. Tons of good stuff. So like I said earlier, moments ago, I've added the potatoes to the mixture now. These are practically done. I'm just gonna let these sit, stay warm as my gravy gets nice and thick, and we fry that beautiful chicken. Got a nice complete meal. You can add a salad to this, but I'm like, I got cabbage in my potatoes. And if anybody knows me well enough as well, I said well twice, I classify bacon as a freaking vegetable anyway, because it goes in almost every dish I possibly can imagine when I'm doing things, so. There we go. Okay, A little while longer here, we'll have that chicken out and we'll see how that all gets all put together. Thank you.